Stop wasting time on pet hair. If you're tired of heavy vacuums that miss the mess, the Shark Rocket Pet Plus is your new secret weapon. This lightweight beast is designed specifically to destroy pet hair on any surface. First, the LED headlights on the floor nozzle mean you will never miss a hidden dust bunny again. Total visibility. Second, it's an XL dust cup powerhouse, so you can clean your entire home without constantly stopping to empty the bin. And the best part? It's a 2-in-1. With one click, it converts from a floor vacuum into a handheld unit, perfect for furniture, stairs, and your car. It even comes with 2 dedicated pet attachments to suck up every single strand of fur. This is the ultimate tool for a spotless home. Do not wait for your floors to get worse. Grab yours right now using the link in the description below before the price changes. Click it, buy it, and start cleaning like a pro today. Go, go, go.